Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment on what you want to see in the next videos. Today, we're going to solve a percentage problem. Maria bought a car for $6,000 and paid 15% as a down payment. How much does she still have to pay? Let's solve it here using the rule of 3 in a simple and direct way. 6,000 is the price of the car, so 6,000 is 100%. We know she paid 15%, so percentage with percentage here on the same side. What's the value of 15%? I don't know, so it's x. Now just multiply crosswise. X times 100 is 100x, 6,000 times 15. Let's do the calculation here. 15 times 6,000 exactly. When we multiply with these zeros, just repeat the number of zeros you have, and then you multiply by 6. 6 times 5 is 30, carry 3. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9, 90,000. This is a quicker way to calculate, so 100x equals 90,000. Now let's move the 100 that's multiplying here to the other side, so it will be dividing. So, x equals 90,000 over 100. When we divide by 100, you move the decimal point to the left, and in this case, you can just cut the zeros. You don't even have to think about it. So x equals 900. Is this the answer to the question? No, because the question is how much is still left to pay. This is the entry fee, 900. The value of the car is 6,000. She paid 900. So, to find how much is missing, just subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Here, 0 cannot be reduced by 9. It borrows 1 from 6, becoming 10. 10 minus 9, 1 and the 6, as he lent 1 here, became 5. So she still has 5,100 left to pay. That's the answer. Quickly and directly, we found the value of the percentages here using the rule of 3. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and drop your comment. See you in the next video.